Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Hyundai Creta. To be more specific, we are going to discuss about the brake issue with the Creta, and also I am going to show you a clip where the brakes of the Creta saved me, and of course some goats. There have been lots of feedbacks from owners in various forums that the brakes of the Creta are not good enough. Here we can see some feedback from the owners regarding the issues faced by them. Here we can see a owner complaining about brake failure, stating that the pedal went all the way in. Here I will be sharing my thoughts today. Of course, the brakes of the Creta is not good enough. For a 15 lakh vehicle, we don't get all 4-wheel disc brakes. While its smaller sibling, the i20 gets all 4-wheel disc brakes. I own a 2017 Creta 1.6 petrol SX. Of course, I have had issues with my brakes, especially on bad roads with lots of potholes and specifically on roads like this. To be more specific, whenever in roads like this I apply the brakes, the brake pedal becomes hard and we can feel the impact from the wheel getting transferred to our foot directly through the brake pedal. It just creates a panic situation and it is like we don't have any control over the momentum of the vehicle. Nobody knows whether the issue is with the brakes or with the anti-lock braking system. In roads like this, which we are seeing now, there are no issues with the brake and the brakes are working fine. Here, I will share a clip where the brakes saved me from a possible disaster. My car has done 69,000 kilometers and I have to say the brakes are not in their best condition. I was running late for office and was doing around 120 to 140 kilometers per hour, and this happened when I was at 130 kmph. Here's the clip for you. As we can clearly see here, the vehicle came from 130 kmph to 0 in around 5 seconds and the stopping distance was even less than 50 meters. Not bad for a 1.6 ton car with a full tank of fuel. Please share your thoughts on the comment section. Thanks for watching friends. For more videos, please press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon.